Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of accounting software options out there? Xero is a popular choice, but you might be wondering, do you actually need to be an accountant to use it? Well, let's dive in and find out. Imagine this. You're a small business owner, juggling a million things, from client meetings to product launches. The last thing you want to worry about is confusing accounting software. Xero promises to simplify your financial life, but is it really that user-friendly? Can someone with zero accounting background actually wrap their head around it? We're about to put Xero to the test. We'll explore its key features, see how intuitive the interface is, and ultimately determine whether you need an accounting degree to master this powerful tool. First things first, let's understand what Xero actually is. In essence, Xero is a cloud-based accounting software designed to help businesses of all sizes manage their finances. From invoicing and expense tracking to payroll and bank reconciliations, Xero aims to streamline these processes and provide valuable financial insights. Now, the big question, is it user-friendly for non-accountants? Xero definitely strives for simplicity. The interface is generally clean and modern, with a focus on visual cues and easy navigation. Key features are presented in a logical order, making it easier to find what you need. Let's take a look at invoicing, for example. Creating an invoice in Xero is a breeze. You simply select a customer, add the items or services, and Xero automatically calculates the tax. You can even customize invoice templates to match your brand. Expense tracking is another crucial aspect for any business. Xero offers a few different ways to track expenses, including bank feeds, manual entry, and even connecting credit cards. You can easily categorize expenses, snap receipts with your phone, and even automate some of the process. But what about the more complex features? Let's talk about payroll. Xero can handle payroll for employees, contractors, and even subcontractors. It calculates taxes, pays employees directly, and even helps with superannuation contributions. While it might seem daunting at first, Xero provides helpful guides and resources to walk you through the process. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, accounting jargon. Xero does use some accounting terms, but it doesn't throw you in the deep end. Many terms are explained within the software itself, and there are plenty of resources available online, including tutorials and support articles. However, it's important to acknowledge that some accounting knowledge will definitely be beneficial. Understanding basic accounting principles like debits and credits, accounts receivable and payable, will undoubtedly enhance your Xero experience. But here's the good news. You don't need to be an expert. Xero is designed to be user-friendly, and with a little bit of effort and exploration, you can quickly grasp the essential concepts. Furthermore, Xero offers excellent customer support. If you encounter any difficulties, you can easily reach out to their support team via chat, email, or phone. They are generally responsive and helpful, and can guide you through any issues you may face. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using Xero. Firstly, it saves you time. By automating many of your accounting tasks, Xero frees up your time to focus on other important aspects of your business. You can say goodbye to manual data entry and endless spreadsheets. Secondly, Xero provides valuable insights into your business's financial health. With real-time dashboards and customizable reports, you can easily track your income and expenses, identify trends, and make informed decisions. Thirdly, Xero enhances collaboration. You can easily share access with your accountant or bookkeeper, allowing them to provide real-time support and advice. Finally, Xero is constantly evolving. The platform is regularly updated with new features and improvements, ensuring that it remains relevant and competitive in the ever-changing business landscape. So, to answer the initial question, do you need to be an accountant to use Xero? While some accounting knowledge will certainly be helpful, it's not a prerequisite. Xero is designed to be user-friendly, with a focus on simplicity and ease of use. However, it's important to invest some time in learning the basics and exploring the platform. Take advantage of the resources available, such as tutorials, guides, and support articles. And don't hesitate to reach out to Xero's customer support team if you encounter any difficulties. Ultimately, The best way to determine whether Xero is right for you is to try it out yourself. Xero offers a free trial, allowing you to explore the platform and see if it meets your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.